Daddy's Day.
Yeah, there's lots of sticks here, Daddies.
What's in here? Oh wow. We've got a big, I think there might be a big storm. Maybe. Might start raining soon. And a storm. Is everyone okay?
Today we're camping and we're having fun. I'm fun. I'm really so sad. And it's getting a little bit stormy, coming to a little bit cold.
Right, is everyone okay? Is that better? If we're going to do this, we better have some music.
Daddy, can we have zoegentle? Can we have that one?
Looking out the window, tell me what do you see?
What do you see when you look out the window? Yeah, put the water on top and they use these. Here you go.
You don't even know me.
Right, I reckon you could put them in there.
Okay, what we do is see this. Drop.
No. In the water.
And when you do it, I'll do it. You give me one and I'll do it. Thank you. Today we're going on an adventure. So, and it's thunderstorming. And we can't have a fire, but we can make them. And we put all the hot dogs in and we have some chips. I put it in the car.
Okay everybody, see you later from
Daddysadventure.
Daddy Adventure Day, signing out.